Hey there, female entrepreneurs. I'm Sarah, and today I'm kicking off a brand new YouTube series that's going to change the way you think about your tech stack. Welcome to Easy Peasy Funnels, the ultimate guide for female coaches and course creators. If you're like me, what I was before, and juggling multiple tools, paying hefty subscription fees, like into the hundreds of pounds or dollars, and dealing with tech headaches. We all been there, haven't we? Automation's not working and emails not going out and buttons not working. Then this series is for you. Easy Peasy Funnels is powered by Go High Level, and it's designed to be your one-stop solution for all things marketing and course creation. Over the next 2 weeks, I really want to deep dive into how Easy Peasy Funnels can solve some of the most common tech pain points for you, like from automating your marketing and protecting your precious content. I'm going to get it all covered. In the next episode, I'm going to tackle why using one integrated platform like Easy Peasy Funnels is way better than struggling with 5 different tools, different payments, different support desks. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. I'm really excited to share this with you. And if you're excited about simplifying your life, growing your business, then hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss any of the episodes. I'm going to be giving out loads of freebies and little gifts and little Easter eggs that you guys can find along the way. I'm Sarah, your go-to guide for all things digital marketing and funnel building. Until next time, keep it easy, keep it peasy, and keep it fun.